Hi guys, today I will show you how to create this beautiful slide with video background. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. The first thing you'll need for this slide is to decide on what video you want to see in your background. I have downloaded a video how it rains, which I will use later, but first thing that we need to do is to insert a shape. Let's insert a rectangle of the size of the slide. Going to shape outline and remove the outline. The next step is to insert a text. In my case, it's just one word, it's rain.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Make sure the text is aligned to the center and middle. Now, the next step is to remove the text from this rectangle to subtract it. How we do that is select rectangle by holding Ctrl. Click on the text box, go into shape format and merge shapes. Then select subtract. This way you will see through the rectangle the background. Make sure when subtracting, make sure you select the rectangle first and not the text box. So now it's time to add our video. Here you have two options. Either you use what PowerPoint offers by going to insert videos and selecting stock videos or online videos, or you go and download the video from anywhere else and simply drag it to your PowerPoint presentation. I have this video from paxels.com. It's a website that offers free videos. Now we have the video here and let's send it to the back. If the video is sent to the back, we can put it right behind our rectangle. So this is what we get. The next step is to change the color of the rectangle. Right click on the rectangle, going to format shape, and let's pick gradient fill. I will use 4 gradient stops and I will make it a bit darker on the top. Make sure the type is linear and the direction is linear down. So let's start.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, something like this. Then the next step is to insert the additional text or images that you want to add. Final piece is that we have a shadow here for this man walking in the rain, and it would be nice if we could add a shadow for our text. To do so, we insert letter. I will insert letter by letter, choose the same font and the same size. Drag it up. And let's go into format shape, text option, 3D rotation, and let's rotate it 100 degrees. So we turn the letter upside down. Now let's change the color to dark gray, probably to be darker, and make it transparent. So we either send this one to the back, or let's bring text to the front, but we'll do that in the end when we have all the letters added.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you want to play with the shape color, with the text color, you're free to do so. The one thing I would like to pay attention to make the shadow look better when giving the gradient fill here, try to highlight a small line between these two colors. So you can see if we drag it up, like the line goes up. So try to adjust it right where the text ends, because the shadow will look nicer then. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention one thing about the video. So if we leave it like that, the video won't start out automatically when you start your presentation. It will need one click. But if you want to start your video automatically, click on the video, right click on the video, click on the start, and select automatically. This way, when you start your presentation, the video automatically starts on the first second. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed the video and find it useful, please give it a like, comment, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.